Looking for the best phone under 30,000? Meet the OnePlus Nord 4, a game-changer in its class. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 and up to 8GB RAM. This phone delivers lightning-fast multitasking and smooth gaming. Display. Enjoy a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Perfect for binge-watching or gaming. Camera. Capture stunning shots with its 50MP primary camera and 8MP ultra-wide lens, ensuring your memories are Instagram-worthy. Battery. With a massive 5,500 mAh battery and Super VOOC fast charging, you're powered up in no time. Software. Runs on Android 14 for a clean, customizable experience. All of this at just $27,999. An absolute steal for what it offers. Get it from the link in bio of Best Smartphones Kit. Ready to upgrade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe for more tech reviews.